Hi, third grade. So today we're going to do our reading and our writing. We're going to use the Scholastic News article, I Climbed This Volcano. Inside of this article, we're going to be looking at the section on the Great Turtle Race and should the school week be shorter. This is going to be our writing prompt, and this is going to be our reading questions that I'll have. Okay, so we're going to start with our vocabulary words. So our first word that we have is the word migrate, to move from one region to another. Usually animals move because of seasons. So season changes. When it gets warm, these birds go to the warm areas of the world. We have the word satellite. A satellite is an object sent into space to gather information. The word anthropod. Anthropods are animals without a spine, made of joint parts like these insects. We have the word critters. Critters are a living creature. So there are different types of critters, right? We have the word chomp. Here's a good example. Chomp, to munch or chew. Now, I want you to look over here for a second. And I have a couple of more words. The word traditional. This is mentioned in the article, and it means it's regular or normal way. It's been the same way for a long time. We also have the word similar, which is in one of your questions. Similar. It sounds like the same. That's one way of remembering what similar means, same. So that means alike or close to. Okay, so we're going to go into our questions. And your questions are from Be a Quiz Whiz. We're going to answer questions 8, 9, and 10. The Great Turtle Race and about bug bites. Okay, so if you had not listened to the article yet, I want you to pause the video and go back into the article and listen to it so we can answer these questions. Okay, so let's go into the first one. Number 8. Which phrase from the article best explains the meaning of migrate? Now we remember the word migrate means to move from one region to another. Keyword, migrate. That's the word we're going to look for in our article. Migrate. We're talking about the Great Turtle Race. So let's find the word migrate. The word migrate. Each fall, sea turtles migrate or move from place to place. I think that's enough to give us our answer. Let's see. A, ready, set, swim. B, a 3-month race. C, move from place to place. There it is. So if you chose C, that is correct. Number 9. Scientists will use computers to track. So keyword, computer. Let's go back into the article and find that keyword. Computer. Let's find the word computer. Oh, I see the word computer. So let me read this part of the passage. Each fall, sea turtles migrate or move from place to place. They swim from beaches where they laid eggs to ocean area full of food. To see just how far some turtles go, scientists stuck tiny computers onto the shells of 17 turtles. Satellites in space will track them. The turtles that travel the farthest wins. Let's see. A, amount of food the turtles eat. Do you think that's what scientists will use computers to track for? B, the number of eggs the turtles lay. C, the speed at which the turtles swim. Or D, the distance the turtles travel. Computers onto the shells. To see just how far some turtles go, scientists stuck tiny computers. So there's our answer. The distance. How far? Distance means the same. So if you chose D, you are right. Bug bites. In the article, the phrase chomp on is most similar in meaning to which of the following words? We went over 2 definitions. The word chomp meant to munch. Similar meant alike or close to. So what is similar or close to the word chomp? Is it A, share. B, eat. C, visit. D, choose. If you chose B, that is the correct answer. So now we're going to go on to our writing prompt. What do you think? So this writing prompt is about should a school week be shorter? So if you have read this, we can answer this question. So this is what I want you to do. So you know that Alana voted yes, Jaden voted no, and you heard about their reasonings. So now I want you to think about your reasons why you would think the week should be shorter or not. So here, debate it. Yes, this is your sentence frame, the way you're going to begin your sentence. You're going to answer yes. For yes, I think the school week should be shorter because, or no, I think the school week should not be shorter because, and you're going to give me a reason. You're going to add to this. You're going to give another reason. I want 2 reasons. So to any of your choice, you're going to add this. Another reason is blank, blank. Then you're going to end your paragraph with, for these reasons, schools should blank. Pause it. So you're going to give me 2 reasons. Now, I have a couple here of a few ideas. Now, you can go into the article to find some ideas, or you can come up with your own ideas. Here I have wrote a few for yes and a few for no. Yes, I think school should be shorter because families can spend more time together. Now, remember, you might need to add a few more words before or after what I wrote here, because these are not complete sentences. So these are just ideas, bullet points, okay? Teachers have more time to make lessons, play with friends, exercise, bike ride, sports, time for chores. So these are some reasons why schools should be shorter. Some reasons you can write about schools that should not be shorter, school weeks should not be shorter, are maybe because my parent works. My parent will have to pay a babysitter more money. We will have less time learning how to read, write, or math. Another reason can be we can have better scores on tests. These are just a few. You can have your own ideas, like I said. So remember, you're going to start with your first reason, and then you're going to add another reason is, and you're going to close out with, for these reasons, schools should be longer, schools should be shorter, the weeks should be 4 days, or the week should be 5 days. Okay? So I think that's it. You can take a picture when you're done. Oh, wait a minute, one more thing. As you can see here, I drew a small picture. So I would have written, I think the school week should be shorter because families can spend more time together. And I drew a picture of my family and we're eating dinner. Another reason is I could have wrote, I would have more time to do the chores, like washing the dishes after we're done eating, right? So this is just one example. And then I drew here, I think the school week should not be shorter because, and see, he has an A+ here. So because I can get better scores on my tests, studying more, right? That can be a reason why school should not be shorter. All right, guys. So I want you to do these. Take a picture, send it to my email, gonzalezna@Springfield Public Schools, or we have Dojo. You can send me any messages through Dojo, any questions, you can just send it through Dojo. I can't wait to see your pictures, all right? And to see your debate paragraph. Give me 1, 2, 3 sentences. Shouldn't be bad. All right? Bye, guys. Till next time.